I-beams. I need adjusting yet. Okay guys, just a little quick video of unboxing these 7-inch round LED headlights. They also come with the 4-inch driving lights as well. This box is pretty big, so I had to stand way back to get it in frame, so bear with me on that. Okay, right off the bat, looks like we got two books. And we open them up. Looks like everything should be where they should be. They're pretty well packed. I don't see any way that they could move around too much, so that's a good thing. Yeah, they're in there pretty tight. They're not going to move around, that's for sure. There's your pigtail. These don't feel cheap at all. That's die cast. I guess from what I just saw there, it kind of helps dissipate the heat, especially those fins. I guess maybe they're called cooling fins, maybe. Got some sticky stuff on there. Help it keep them from cracking during shipping. All the driving lights out. Now this part here is plastic. That part there, that's die cast. They got a little bit of weight to them. Looks like maybe the adjusting screw there for adjusting the beam up and down. Looks like they got a little pigtail, little plug, got a little yellow one there. I think I read somewhere that hooks into your turn signal, and that hooks in I guess maybe the back of the light of the turn signal. I don't know, I'll have to read the directions here. Comes with your LED CAN bus. Should be two of those, I would assume. There's two of those. Another pigtail. I assume that's going to plug into there, and this is going to plug in your light. The existing harness from your OEM. There's two of them. Looks like some extra wire. If I remember right from watching another video, you're going to need that to reach the OEM driving lights, or OEM turn signals, I should say, sorry. So you got two yellows, two yellow and white ones, and a little Allen wrench, and that's, I'm assuming, will go for that adjusting screw. Yeah, as far as packing and unboxing, I'm pretty happy with the way it was shipped, for sure. Haven't seen any damage or anything, so I'm going to call that a win. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Okay, this is kind of, we're going to go through how we got to where we were with all the lights blinking and on and what have you. So this side here is pretty much all bolted in except for our turn signal, which we'll put in when we put the grill back in. This one here is still able to take out, so I can show you how the connections were, or are. It's kind of a messy wire, so we'll zip tie everything and tape everything up so it's kind of nice and neat before we bolt it all back together. Okay, These are the 7-inch Daymaker LED headlights, and here also we have the halo fog lights or driving lights also in there. Tell you watch your head. Excuse my dog, he's with us everywhere we go. And you might have a cameo appearance of our cat too, so bear with us. This is kind of how we have it wired up. We have the cord from the headlamp that goes into the anti-flicker, and then the anti-flicker goes into another adapter from this fitting to the OEM headlight fitting. As far as coming off the headlights, we have 2 wires that they supply, which is a white wire and a yellow wire. The white wire will go to the marker light or turn signal, and that will come to the middle white wire. You have a black wire, a white wire, and a white wire with a gray stripe. So the white wire coming off the headlight will go to the middle of the marker light. That is your halo. That supplies power to your halo, to your headlight, and also your driving light halo. The yellow wire goes to the white with the gray stripe, and that is your turn signal. That gives you the orange flashing turn signal on your headlight. Now what we did here is they supplied a yellow wire off the driving light to make your adapter or your connection, but the way I routed it was up the OEM wiring harness, and just about 3 inches too short. So we went ahead and spliced it in and brought that up to our white wire off the headlamp, which also goes to, again, the middle white wire of your marker light. So that's it for the headlight. The driving light, that comes with, I thought you were going to need a light. That, just pull down. There you go. So you have your connector coming from your OEM light, which connects to this adapter fitting or adapter wire. It goes to this number 22. They kind of got a label too. I'll show you that too. Goes to your driving light, and that again has a yellow light or a yellow wire coming off of it. That yellow wire, like I said, goes up to your white wire, which is your middle white wire of your marker light. That pretty much, I think, should be explanation enough how to hook that up as far as wiring goes. You will need a T15 to get your bezel off, so you can take your old headlights off and then put these back in. As far as anything else I could think of, I guess taking off this plastic piece, which other people have done to gain access to your driving light, that is the easiest way. I tried to go underneath and smack my head off the traction bars, so yeah, this is definitely the way to go. And you will have to drill these rubber mounting grommets or whatever you want to call them. That's why I couldn't get them out. And they're not thread. They look like they're threads where they thread out, but they're actually like a barbed fitting, so they're not going to pull out. They're very easy. So I drilled them out. I'll buy the same that go up here for your your grill and put those in. But other than that, I think that's pretty much it. Just go ahead and zip tie everything back up, wire it up. I would use dielectric grease on all your connections so they don't get oxidized and what have you, and it should be good to go. Alright, thanks for watching.